Okay, so I'm going to try this one more time. So this is a really simple first step for microcontrollers. There's no microcontroller on this unit. This is just a breadboard. You can find a power supply that plugs directly into your breadboard. These are your negative, your positive, your negative, positive, and negative power rails. I purchased a kit that had a bunch of different components in it, containing the transistors, the LED lights at Micro Center. It also contains the push button. So this is running off of USB into my computer, and as you see, now the next step would be to add a microcontroller where you could control this from an app, web-based